Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to download Dolphin Emulator for PC. First, open your web browser. Here search for Dolphin Emulator. Click to open the link of dolphin-emu.org. You'll find the option to download. Click on it to download it. After that, select your device and Windows type to proceed further. You can download it for Android, Mac, and Windows. Click on the blue button to download it. After that, you need to allow it. Now, head towards the downloads. Here you'll find this downloaded emulator. You can put this app on your desktop to access it more easily. After that, just click on it to open and use it. By opening it, you'll see the complete information about its developers. Click on No. Your emulator is now ready for use. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.